Today we'll be demonstrating convection. Convection is a method of energy transfer in fluids, meaning liquids and gases. To demonstrate this, we have a convection tube which I'll be adding a small amount of potassium permanganate through. Potassium permanganate is a purple solid. I'll be heating this using a Bunsen burner to show how the energy is transferred throughout the tube. We can see the water is moving in only one direction. That's because something called a convection current is occurring. The purpose of the potassium permanganate, the purple solid in there, is only to show us how the water is moving. Because as the energy is transferred, it is bringing around the food or the dye with it. The dye in this case being potassium permanganate. Here's how convection works. The particles at the bottom of the liquid gain energy from the flame, or from the heat of the Bunsen burner. When they gain energy, they become less dense and move to the top of the container. The particles at the top of the container are then pushed down. When the particles at the top of the container are pushed down to the bottom, they will also be heated by the flame, gaining energy, becoming less dense, moving to the top. This creates what's called a convection current. Convection current is the constant movement of particles around the container due to their difference in temperature and density. The particles at the bottom are being heated by the Bunsen burner. When they're heated, they gain energy and rise to the top. Since they have more energy, they're spaced farther apart, meaning they are less dense. The particles at the top are then pushed to the bottom. These particles, once again, will be heated, gain energy, and become less dense. This process of energy transfer is called convection. Through the dye, we can see the particles moving. Not the individual particles themselves, but the movement of many particles as the dye moves through the water. The process of convection in liquids, where the particles are consistently going to the top and bottom of the container, creates what's called a convection current.